welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and I am continuing to try these different flavored of wine spritzers that I'm not super familiar with. This week it is a raspberry rosé, so it's kind of fancy and I kind of really like it. This week I felt like painting, and so we are going to be painting on one of our irregular shaped canvases this week, which is basically, to me, any canvas that is not a square or a rectangle shape. So I am thinking of a hexagon, and I'm thinking of doing a Dutch pour, but not just a Dutch pour that goes from like black to white or is just solid white. We're gonna do a split color canvas. So we're gonna have some color and we're gonna blow them all into the white. So I'm feeling optimistic, I'm feeling pretty good about the canvas choice, and I'm actually pretty pumped about the color scheme that I picked out. Yes, it's from a random color generator, but I really like it, and so if you guys would like to join me for this project, please continue watching. I've got a tiny little sliver of base coat for our purple color down here. I wanted it to kind of be not perfectly centered, so it's a little uneven like that on purpose, and I wanted plenty of room in the white to be able to blow our colors in this direction. And as I said, I already have the base coat down for our purple color, so this side is going to be purple and then this side's going to be white. I have already added silicone to all of our colors. I did not add any silicone to our white over here. I'm going to start this off by putting down our nice thick base for the white and the purple. Our canvas is flooded with color, and we are going to go ahead and add some of these other beautiful colors I mixed up. I've got some like dark blues, I've got like a mint, and then this nice deep purple color. I'm also going to do like a line of white across it, just for fun. I added some extra white on that side because we're going to blow it this direction, and then all the colors are going to go that way. Let me get my hairdryer ready. Alright, just going to let it sit for just a little bit, and then we're going to blow it this direction. Okay, and then I'm going to use my breath to kind of blow some of these colors around a little bit, blend it a little bit more. Try to not dunk my hair in it this time. Oh, I already did. Guess that didn't work out very well. now I'm gonna hit it just a little bit with the heat gun and see what kind of cells pop up. Well, I am in love, you guys. This turned out so cool. And there are so many cells. I can't wait to show you guys what this looks like when it has developed and is done and all glossed up. So we're just gonna let this dry, and when it is completely dry, then I'm gonna go ahead and add my gloss varnish to the top, and we'll take a nice close look at it. Our painting has sat, it is dried, and it is all glossed up, so let's take a close look at it. I seriously love this piece, you guys. I may say that far too often, but this piece, I mean, look at it. This screams ocean to me, and I love like the feathering of the paint up top and all the cells, and I can't wait to show you guys what this looks like up close out in natural light. Seriously can't stop looking at it. It is so cool, and I really like that the purple wasn't actually straight at all. It's a little tilted, so you can hang it with the point up or with the flat side up, and it still is like just not too perfect, and I actually really like that about this painting. And I had some leftover paint, and so I made a cute little tiny one too. It's a little different, but it's also really beautiful. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then feel free to leave a like for this video and subscribe to the channel. There are so many things in the description box below. There are links for my Instagram, my Facebook, and my PayPal account, as well as all of the materials that we used in this week's video if you would like to try to make anything on your own at home. And if you do, make sure you tag me in it. I'll see you guys all for the next video. Cheers!